Welcome to the Brook Railroad. Shoveling frozen ballast today. I jacked up the track over here to level it up a little bit. Right through this area where I've got a soft spot in the track. And it's a soft spot because the water drains down here when it rains. And it drains through the track. I forgot about that. But I have to deal with this sooner rather than later, perhaps. Although, once I jack this up, get it all supported with some ballast, I think it'll be fine for the winter, and then we can just deal with this in the spring. That's the plan, anyway. I think that was the plan last year, too. But, well, you know how it goes. So I filled up these gondolas a couple of days ago, and then it snowed on top of them, so I'm going to be shoveling frozen ballast and snow onto the track. Just adding more ballast along in here for as much as we can do. I think this might be the last ballasting we do before winter sets in. It's kind of too bad because I wanted to do the whole railroad, but never quite got to it. There's always something else to do. Unfortunately, I couldn't get started any earlier in the day than this, and the sun just set behind the mountain, so we might be working by locomotive light. Well, it's still tipping a lot. And it tips pretty bad right here, so it looks like I got another 8 feet of track to lift, maybe 10. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Now time to get the regulator and run it across this. All right, no digging deep.
I'm not trying to.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. All that dust in the air. I got a side tamp again.
Yep.
Yeah, you dug it out right in here.
Oh, did I? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it got caught on something and the back end went up.
It got caught on the tie.
Yeah.
So that first pass probably was good enough. So now we gotta stamp that in with our feet into the sides.
All fixed.
No. Gotta actually get it in there. Side tamping.
Candy dancing.
Yeah.
That's why they're called candy dancers. Here, this is going in the empty gondola.
Okay.
This is still just a little bit high, I would say. Way better than it was. I was about to say, if you put that on that earlier, I guarantee you the bubble was just whoop.
It's this way.
Yeah. Now it's only that way by like a tiny bit. Huge difference.
Yep.
And I wasn't even here for 90% of it.
That looks a lot more stable.
The whole train didn't list to one side.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Look how much ballast we added right in here.
I was about to say, you added
Just-
about a car's worth.
Yeah, it was a whole car's worth
Just in this, like,
for the whole thing.
15, 20 foot section?
Yeah, it was just 20 feet of track.
You definitely lifted that up
Yeah.
quite a bit.
Yeah, I lifted it up about 4 inches.
I was about to say,
On
the
one
grade
side.
doesn't look as steep here either.
It's because it's not now.
I was about to say, because this is where that first dip was.
So this is an area that, remember last year I said I wanted to,
Lift and reballast?
I wanted to put a culvert in here.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We forgot to do that.
Oh. That might be an issue.
Yeah, it's kind of a major issue. That's why it's sinking here. So,
I figured.
yeah.
What if you ditch out that side? Is there any way we could undercut this at some point and slide the culvert in without pulling the whole rail up, or we'd have to pull it up anyways?
No, we can go under the track.
Okay. 'Cause
Yeah.
we were able to do it down there to undercut it to resurface.
Yeah.
So I figured we could undercut it to slide in a culvert pipe.
Yep, we absolutely can.
Okay.
Totally. So that's what we're going to do at some point.
Definitely not right now.
Yeah, definitely not right now. We've got a storm approaching. So,
Yeah, that might be a mid next year project.
yeah. I miss my Fred.
This
I got to build another one.
This video is in tribute to Fred.
All right, let's put these tools away. Thanks for watching today's video. Tonight's video, this evening's video, whatever.
This evening's video sounds
Yeah,
about right.
yeah, it's
Started in the
probably what,
afternoon.
4:30, 5 o'clock.
Shoot, 4:30, 4:45, I think.
Something like
5
that.
on the dot.
5 o'clock. Well, it's a good time to stop work. It's the shortest, some of the shortest days of the year, and well, we're still getting some work done. Well, thanks for watching tonight's video. Today's video, it's a little past 5 p.m. here in Vermont. It's December 1st, 2025, and yeah, we just did some track work with frozen ballast.
Hooray, 17 more days till I'm older.
Yep, my granddaughter's birthday is coming up in 4 more days, so happy birthday, Lizzie. If you see this after, then, well, happy late birthday. I'll call you anyway. Join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad, where you can see early access to all these videos, plus exclusive content. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. I can't see a thing now.